Hey folks, today I'd like to talk to you about something new on the boating internet. And this is art of boat repair. You ever heard about it? Check it out. Go to artofboatrepair.com. This is a project which Alan just brought to life. And he got in touch with us and he explained it to me. And I think it's a great idea. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So he's putting little clips together out of all the YouTube channels where people say, I like this product, I dislike this one, this worked, this didn't work. And he actually encouraged us, YouTube creators, to tell people a little bit more about their experience with products, with services, and other things to help you guys out there make a better decision which company to trust, where you dump your money on, or which service you better avoid. So I like the idea. I myself had good and bad experience a lot. So I think we should contribute to that, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put up a few videos about sometimes some minor things on the current refit or the refit we did the last 7 years actually. So yeah, it will be not much editing involved. It's not about a fancy video. It is about giving you knowledge about a product or a service, which to avoid and which not. So expect a few little videos. I put my complaining hat on, so yeah, let's get started. You can scroll down to Zero and follow us over there. We have a few reviews there already, and there's more to come. So make sure you go down there and stay in touch. Okay, aloha and out. So he's putting things together. I should switch off the radio when I do some video recording.